What time is everyone coming today?
They are coming at 6 o'clock. Have you made the shopping list?
Yes, I have made it already. We need onions, carrots, and bread.
I can get those from the pantry. Should we make soup first?
Yes, let's start with the soup. I am putting on my apron now.
You look ready for a busy day. Can I light the stove?
Yes, go ahead, light it. The kitchen smells like coffee.
I have already made 2 cups. Are you excited for today?
Yes, I am very excited. Can you chop the carrots for me?
Of course, I am chopping them now. Is this size okay for the soup?
Yes, that size is perfect. I am adding the onions to the pot.
It smells wonderful already. Do we have enough carrots?
Yes, we have more than enough. The soup needs to simmer for an hour.
I will watch the clock. Can you pass me the salt?
Here you go, be careful. I am tasting the soup now.
What do you think? Does it need more pepper?
Yes, just a little more. This soup tastes just like your mother's.
She taught me that recipe years ago. Should we start the bread soon?
Yes, let's start it now. I am getting the flour from the shelf.
I will clear some space on the counter. Is the counter clean enough?
Yes, it looks perfect. I am measuring the flour carefully.
You always measure so precisely. Can I help you knead the dough?
Yes, please, come and help. We need to knead it for 10 minutes.
My arms remember this well. Is the dough soft enough now?
Yes, it feels just right. I am covering the dough with a cloth.
Now we wait for it to rise. Should we season the roast next?
Yes, let's season it now. I am rubbing herbs on the meat.
That smells absolutely delicious.
The roast is ready for the oven.
I am putting it in right now. Is the oven hot enough?
Yes, it is exactly right. The bread has doubled in size.
It is finally ready to bake. Should I shape the loaves now?
Yes, please shape them carefully. I am setting the table for 6 people.
Let me help you with the plates. Where do you want the flowers?
Put them in the center, please. These napkins look lovely today.
You always choose beautiful colors. Can I sweep the kitchen floor?
Yes, that would be a big help.
Should we open the windows for air?
Yes, let's let some fresh air in. The house looks clean and bright.
Everything is coming together nicely. Are we ready for the next step?
Yes, let's move on to dessert. I am mixing the batter for the cake.
Can I lick the spoon after? Is the oven still warm enough?
Yes, it is perfectly warm. I am pouring the batter into the pan.
That looks incredibly smooth. Should I set a timer for the cake?
Yes, please set it for 40 minutes. Oh no, I think something is burning.
I am turning off the stove quickly. Is everything okay in here?
Yes, it was just the bread crust. We can laugh about this later.
You are right, it smells fine now. Can you check on the cake for me?
Yes, it looks perfect through the glass. We forgot to buy fresh cream.
I can walk to the shop quickly. Do you need anything else from there?
Yes, please get a few lemons too. I am checking our list one more time.
I will hurry back as fast as I can.
Can I help you finish the cake? Yes, please, that would be wonderful. I am so glad you came early. I wanted to spend more time with you.